I'm Lisa. I'm from Beautiful You Wig Reviews, and I am so happy to be bringing you a wig review for the Wig Studio One YouTube channel today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there's so much great information here. Also, Wig Studio One has a really great private Facebook group. It's called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and I invite you to come and join. There'll be a link to join that group in the description box down below this video. So today we're going to take a look at this adorable style from the Belle Tress Icon collection. This is Monroe, and the color on this one is Coconut Milk Gray. Okay, so Monroe is just a fun little wavy, shorter waves, shorter length, wavy piece. Lots of texture. You can just fluff her and floof her and, scrunch her, and she is just super, super fun. She's going to be one of these that if she gets a little wind blown and stuff like that, it's probably just going to enhance her style. So just really, really cute. So she is an ear-to-ear lace front. So really nice looking hairline all the way from ear to ear. And then she has a full double mono top. So you can change your part around. The way the style is, I almost didn't need to make a part in it. I mean, it just, it kind of kept just, the layers wanted to just, not zigzag, it came out of the zigzag, but the layers are just shorter on the top. So I guess what I'm trying to say is a part doesn't really show that much, at least not on this particular color. But isn't this color neat? This is so pretty. So this has, like a lighter gray at the top, then a darker gray at the bottom and in the back. So we'll look at that in just a minute, but I just think it's really, really cute and looks adorable on this style. So the measurements for Monroe are overall, she has a 10-inch measurement. She has 7-inch sides, and she has a 4-inch nape. And then her weight is 2.7 ounces, so she is super, super lightweight. So this cap is fitting very nicely on my petite measurements. I'm 11 ear to ear, I'm 13 forehead to nape, and I have a 21-inch circumference. And this is fitting very comfortably. However, there is some stretch back here in the hand-tied area, and then it's closed wefted under that, and there's still some stretch in the closed wefting area too. So this is considered to be average, so I think it will definitely fit. If you are petite, I think it will fit you, but I think as we go into average and average plus, it should stretch to fit that as well. Okay, here's the inside of her cap. So here's that double mono top. So you're gonna have a monofilament layer that's on the top, and then a sort of a netting layer underneath that just keeps that very, very comfortable on top of your head. So, but this is a monofilament. It's not a hand-tied top. Even though sometimes you'll see that netting on a hand-tied top, this is a full monofilament top with that double layer. So here is the ear-to-ear lace front. I like how with this color, they kept these ear tabs clear with that polyurethane. I just think that, that way they don't show with the white that's in the wig. And then there is a metal stay right here. This is the hand-tied portion. Like I said, there's stretch in this portion. And then we have closed wefting. And I find that their closed wefting areas are stretchy as well, which is really nice. That will allow this wig to accommodate a lot of head sizes. Then she has an extended nape with Velcro adjusters. And these are the Belle Tress heat-friendly fibers. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful color. So this is the Coconut Milk Gray. It is a 39, a 51, and a 61A. Those are the number codes. Isn't that neat? I just love the shade placement. It's so pretty. So the description for this color is a blend of a creamy off-white tone with soft gray hues that produces a pearlescent or silvery finish and gives it a modern look. So the knots look great. It's nice that you have this white silver right around the face. It lightens up your face. But then if you do, like this is what my hair is doing as far as turning gray. It has more of this salt and pepper look to it. But then the new hairs that are coming in all white. So You know, it still looks good with my dark eyebrows because you're bringing in the dark here in the back. It's just really, really pretty. This is light coming through a window. You can see that dimension. So this is under my covered porch in outdoor light. That silver and white is so pretty. And then you can see the darker color back here. And we'll step into the sun. Forgive me, it's very windy out today. Okay, even though she has these, you know, little layers and she has some volume, she's still a very natural density. There's no permatease in the wig. So you could smooth her down and put the hair behind your ears if you wanted to. Then I'll show you what the glasses look like. I just like to do that so you can see how easily the glasses go on over those ear tabs. And then they will go up on your head very easily. So just very natural, you know, just like you would do with your natural hair. Then she would be really cute with a fun headband. And I would just kind of fluff her out a little bit around that. This bang layer is going to want to come down. And I do think on this bang, if you wanted to shorten this and get more forehead coverage, you could do that. Cute. Really adorable. And then I don't think her sides, 7-inch sides, you could pin those sides back if you wanted to, you know, on either side to pull her back, but she's not going to clip back. I think most of these are going to just keep coming out, coming out, coming out. They just aren't quite long enough with all of these layers. But remember, you can also clip her off of the face as well because she has this beautiful lace front. So she does still have a lot of fun styling options. You could also work in some product, you know, to just really show off her texture, elevate her volume a little bit if you wanted to. So she's just really, really cute. And this color is just a gorgeous, gorgeous gray. So thank you, Wig Studio One, for sending this to review. There'll be purchase information in the description box down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.